Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines: the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for small spaces, but they have different features and price points that may influence your decision. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is priced at $159, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the portable washing machine is significantly more affordable at just $59. This price difference is an important factor to consider, especially for budget-conscious consumers looking for effective laundry solutions. In terms of capacity, the Giantex model offers a total washing capacity of 20 pounds, which is quite substantial for a portable machine. On the other hand, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 15 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads. If you frequently wash larger items or multiple garments at once, the Giantex may be the better choice. The design of these two machines also differs significantly. The Giantex features a twin tub design that separates washing and spinning, allowing for efficient laundry processing. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine boasts a foldable design, making it highly portable and easy to store. This could be a crucial factor for those with limited space. In conclusion, both the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine and the Portable Washing Machine offer unique advantages. The Giantex is ideal for those needing higher capacity and efficiency, while the Portable Washing Machine is perfect for those seeking affordability and portability. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.